All right. Today we are at Shaffer Bridge. Um, it's in Winton, California, which is kind of like in between Merced and Turlock, I guess. Let's see. So it's been raining all day, so we got some really nice clouds to work with. It's been a while since I've flown, actually, so bear with me as I remember how to turn this stuff on. Alright, got the goggles on. I don't think I need an ND filter. Got the drone on. Let's put it on the top of the car. Okay. Alright. And the controller's on, so we're all good to go. Okay. Goggle compass interference, that's okay. Once that record button, we are recording. So, okay. This is giving me an enhanced, but can we admire that rainbow right there? Look at that rainbow. And let's go exploring. I've literally never been here before. Forgot to put my car in park. A lot of graffiti. I've passed by this place many times. Always thought it looked cool, especially for drone. And now that the weather's getting nicer, I don't know, this is the first place I thought of coming to. And there it is, Shaffer Bridge. Let's do a drop here. That was cool. Pretty sure you guys have seen some people do cooler tricks, but that's all I got. Still learning the ropes of the Avata. Ooh. The sun is coming out. It rained a lot today. Can I clear that? Yes, I can. Let's do a hold. Man, these voice commands for the Action 5. They work when you don't want it to work, but then they don't work when you do want it to work. So it kept stop. I'm not gonna say the word. Now I'm gonna have some timecode issues. I'm trying to sync that up. Oh, it's starting to rain. Okay. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. And thanks for watching. Let's do one last flyby. That was cool. Yeah, it's starting to come down pretty good. Alright. Let's wrap it up for right now. I'm gonna wait out another 15 minutes. If it dies down, I'll continue the video. But okay, we're back. The rain chilled out a little bit, so let's see what else there is here. Let's fly around this way. Let's see if it's worthy of coming back to. So while I was waiting for the rain to die down, this is the Merced River, which comes from Yosemite National Park. Right now we're about an hour away, hour and a half away. So this water's flowing from there and runs through California. I didn't look to see where it ends up. Probably in the ocean. Everything is pretty and green. Ooh, look at that view. Battery's at around 60% right now. It's a nice property right there. Nice American flag. Ooh, power line. Ooh, that was a close call. That power line is very close to comfort going in from this side. So let's gain some altitude. Go in from here. Go up. Drop in right here. Ooh. I don't know if I hit that or not. That was close call. I don't think I hit it. I think it would have knocked a little bit. But I am trying to practice my close quarters like that, you know? Being able to weave in and out. It's probably private property right there. There I am. One thing that still trips me out about this is, you'll see, like, for example, that car, I just saw it, but I didn't hear it until, like, 15 seconds later, until it actually got close to me, and that's still trippy to me. I'm going like 32 miles per hour right now. Doesn't feel like it at all. Alright. I think I got some good miles in today. Looks like it's about to pour again. Power line. Let's drop in to the bridge. No reflection. There it is. There it is. Alright. Let's call it a land.